How to unblock yourself from blocked Wi-Fi connection. Now, if you are encountering on a specific connection which you're currently blocked on a Wi-Fi network, most of the time it won't be automatically be removed into your cell phone unless you choose on removing it. So here's how you can unblock it. Go into your phone settings, and then in here, scroll down and go to connections, choose on the Wi-Fi. And then if the Wi-Fi where you get blocked on, if it is still visible, just simply go into the gear icon on that current network or choose on advanced settings on that option. You won't be able to see it on my screen due to some security purposes. Just hit on view more and then under MAC address type, usually what happens is it will be set as phone MAC if that network is trying to block you or has already blocked you. Just simply switch it into randomized MAC or set as MAC default, and then it will automatically be unblocked on your cell. And that is how you unblock yourself from blocked Wi-Fi connection.